Hey guys, happy Friday. Uh, Happy first week back from break. You guys did well. I'm proud of you guys coming back, getting focused, getting back in the zone. Good job on you guys there. This week we're going to be moving into the executive agencies learning set. Monday and Tuesday we're going to do the assignment that's labeled warm up together, and that's not even published, so don't worry about that one. We're going to do that together Monday and Tuesday, and we're also going to look at the information sheet. Okay, so you don't have to worry about those. Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to work on the timeline stuff. Okay, so as a reminder, you guys who are Monday, who have class on Monday, you second period, you guys should probably at least take a look to see if there's anything you need to do before class on Monday. Typically there's not, but every once in a while there will be. Also, just something in relation to last week. Anytime we're talking about presidents, specifically the Roosevelts, because there were more than one of them, we have to specify which one. This goes for the Roosevelts, the Bushes, the Adams. Anytime there's more than one president with that last name or significant person with that last name, the Kennedys, we have to specify which one we're talking about. Okay, I knew that we were talking about FDR the whole time. But just as out of habit, we need to start specifying which Roosevelt, which Kennedy, which Adams, that good stuff, okay? But have a nice weekend. I look forward to seeing you guys next week.